Are you selling your hard drive? Have you deleted all of your data from it? Are you sure it cannot be retrieved? What happens to the deleted data? This video will answer all those questions. I am Titan, you're watching Tech ASAP. Let's begin. Before we talk about deleting data, we have to know how the data is stored and accessed. We know that data is physically stored in HDDs or SSDs, as I have told here. Well, these hardwares, to store any data, need some software support. Just like liking this video is to show support to this video. So like this video. This software support is provided by Journaling File System, supported by your particular operating system. NTFS or New Technology File System is one of them. This system uses something called as master file table to locate the clusters of zeros and ones stored at different locations that make up the file that you want to access. Basically, MFTs are like index page of a book. Then you might be wondering, what happens to the deleted data? Whenever a file is deleted, the metadata of the file, that is in this case, master file table of the particular file, gets deleted. So the location of the bit is lost and you no longer can access the file easily. You know what is easy? Subscribing to Tech ASAP. Then you might ask, is there any possibility to retrieve this data? Well, here comes data recovery software. Data recovery softwares basically go through the whole storage device, find and locate these clusters of data. After finding these clusters, the metadata is then constructed, hence recovering the files. Then you might be wondering, how to delete data permanently? Well, it is simple but not easy. Firstly, you have to delete the data that you want to delete. Then you have to write some random data to fill up the storage device. Repeat the above steps few times. Then the possibility of recovery of the data significantly decreases. There is another way to delete data permanently. That is to destroy the storage device completely. That might not be a good choice. You know what else is good choice? Sharing this video. You can also watch more of our videos on the screen right now. Thank you for watching.